Hi, and welcome back to Clark's Kitchen once again. Last time we made delicious New Mexico style chili. Today we're going to learn how to make Clark's cheesy green chili mashed potatoes. And these are really good. First thing you're going to need is green chilies. You can buy these most anywhere these days, so get your can of green chilies. I prefer to chop my own. Reason being, you don't get as many seeds in them. Something like that. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a fillet of green chili. We're going to put it here lengthwise, cut, about 1/4 inches. Whatever that is. Cut. Crossways then. Perfectly diced green chilies. I'm just using my hands here. You can use whatever to pick them up. You can, I'm putting them in this container over here. See, we'll leave that in sight for you. But we're going to cut up every one of these in this can. I already had one cut up before we started. Okay, we're going to go lengthwise first. Very good. And then we're going to go crossways. You don't want to make them too small, but you can do what you will. Here we go. Delicious green chilies. And the other reason why I like to use the whole ones like this is because a lot of times on those other canned chopped ones, they leave the peelings on them. Ooh, the peelings are about as delicious as eating plastic film. I don't like that. So, okay, we're going to dump green chili juice in there for now. And we're going to put our lid on this because we're going to use these later on. We'll set those aside. Now, as you can see, I've already peeled some great big giant Texas russet potatoes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut these one time like this. This is just going to help them cook faster. So you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I just as soon cut them into thin, semi-thin slices. It speeds up the cooking process immensely when you do this. And we'll throw them over there in our pot. We'll bring the pot into view here. Alrighty. And we're just going to cut these puppies up. Alrighty. Potatoes are cut. Make sure they're separated. I'm going to fake chicken in a minute. I'm going to break these up. Make sure they're all broken up good. And that's enough water. Oh yeah. This is a historic pan here. That's from my grandmother. She had that forever when we were children. When she passed away, I kind of claimed that one. Been cooking with it for 20 some odd years since, so I love that pan. I love it. Okay, we are underway there. We'll be back. We're going to get a fork and check them. I just like to stab them. If they stab easy and fall apart, they're done. They're done. Okay, hold on. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to drain those potatoes, turning off the stove eye, as they say in the South. That's a stove eye. See, not a burner, it's a stove eye. Don't ask me why. I can't tell you why. Okay, we're going to move you Now we're going to put our potatoes in our mixer bowl. Potatoes, cooked, drained, put into our mixer bowl. And now for the rest. Alrighty. What we want to do now is, that's what Emerald always said. Well, what you want to do now is, we're going to take some of this Smart Balance butter. Seems to work really good in this application. Put in a couple of heaping spoons like this. Takes a lot. And some more. Okay. Now we're going to take some Mexican La Crema. La Crema. This is like a heavy-duty cream type stuff. Like sour cream without the sour, but I like to think of that. Use a goodly amount of that, probably about half a cup anyway. Okay, now, what you want to do now is you want to take pepper and salt, that one's salt, shake it with your dredge, get some pepper going in there, a goodly amount. I don't know if you can see, but there you go. Okay. Goodly amount of pepper. Now we're going to start. I'm going to put our blade on here. We're going to put it on low and pull the bowl up. We put it on low so it gets this stuff broken up a little bit before we increase the speed. There, now we can increase the speed. I can't see what you're seeing. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're going to shut that off for a minute. Now comes the cheesy part, huh? Now we're going to add the cheese. Use this American one slice, and we use a bunch of slices in here. There's 2, 3. I'm going to get it running kind of semi-slow. There's 3 pieces, 4, 5, and 6 pieces of cheese. What I generally put in a basket of 3 giant Russets. 6 pieces of those. Then, if that weren't enough, cheddar cheese, folks. Yes, cheddar cheese. I'm going to shut it back off. I don't sprinkle it all over everywhere. It throws it everywhere. Add a couple of handfuls of cheddar. And start it up again. For the secret ingredient, yes, green chilies. What we're going to do now is we're going to grab a strainer spoon. Just so I happen to have one right here. I don't want all that juice just yet. Well, yeah, I do. I want all that. I'm going to reserve just a hair, bit little out of there. Well, add it. Turn it on low again. Otherwise it'll slop all over the place. Let it run a little while, or if you have your hand mixer, beat it pretty good, and that ought to get her done right there. We're going to lower the bowl, get rid of our blade. And now, here comes the good part. The test drive, yes. Green chili cheese mashed potatoes. Here we go. Okay. Oh my God. Here we go. Wow, that's good. Wow. Very delicious potatoes. Slightly bit of warm to them, but not much, because they're green chilies. Green chilies don't have a lot of warmth to them, but they sure are delicious.